welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it's a little bit chaotic, but it wouldn't be a video if it wasn't chaotic. It wouldn't be an authentic video if it wasn't chaotic. So I did my hair this weekend with this gorgeous hair from Yolissa. It's so long, it's so luscious, it's just so beautiful. And I actually did my install 2 days ago, right? And you guys know I'd be quick with the installs, in and out, in and out, okay? But I was in a rush. Like I literally, that was like the whole point of this tutorial, like, ooh, 30 inches in a rush. And I left and I forgot to do an outro and an intro for you guys. So I've had this wig on this is actually the third day now I'm thinking about it. So this is the third day and it looks great. Still bomb, just had to revive her a little bit, but you guys will see the whole process of me putting on this wig. It was a super easy install. I did, like, I don't want to say I took my time, but I did take my time. I feel like I was rushing without rushing. Like I was like, okay, I know I have this amount of time to get ready, but just focus. I was focused, so I did it in a good time frame. But if you want to see how I got this gorgeous hairstyle in minutes, literally, like I had like 45 minutes, I think that's great. So if you want to see how I got this look, then make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, both of them. I have two, so just subscribe to both, like this video, and keep watching. Hey guys, so Chicken Head Tasha has entered the chat once again. So today I'm working with yolissahair again, like I said in the beginning, and I have this gorgeous 30-inch wig. I was so excited to put this on. I've had this wig for a minute, but I was holding out for the right weekend, the perfect weekend, and now was the time. So for this, I knew I just wanted to do like curls. Typically when I do like the 30-inch straight or body wave, I'll just straighten it because I'm honestly just too lazy to curl it. But I had a vision and we executed. Okay, so I did install this wig, and honestly, in this footage that you're seeing right here, this was on a Saturday night, I believe, and I rushed out the house and I forgot to close out the video after my makeup and everything. So what you guys saw at the beginning of the video was my hair 3 or 4 days later, to be honest with you, which was still popping. Okay, the install was perfect. The install was laid. As you guys can see, I'm kind of installing it a little different by cutting the lace in sections. I noticed that it just lays a lot better. So when I do remember to cut the lace, that is something that I'm incorporating now, because I'm able to be a little bit more precise, have better judgment over the placement of the wig, so it's not too far down or too much over my ears or anything like that. So keep that in mind. If you're having a hard time applying your frontals, try cutting the lace and just doing it in sections. And that's just me pushing the black wig cap back because it was just a little bit too close to the edges. And I do use a black wig cap. That's just a personal preference. I don't like to do the ball cap method. It's too much work for me. And when you just put the nude cap on without doing the ball cap method, it leaves a line of demarcation. So easy solution, put on the black wig cap. It looks like your hair underneath. It doesn't mess up the flow of things. Okay, so I'm using my Bold Hold Liquid Gold, and I am just applying that and pushing the lace over. See, it's just a little too close right there. And I'm just pushing that lace into the product, and of course I'm gonna let it melt a little bit, and that's it, y'all. It's real easy. I just want to make sure that the install was popping, okay, because I had things to do this weekend. My videos have been very delayed because I've been very, very busy, but I think it's better that I kind of wear the hair, experience the hair, then come back and talk about it, instead of wearing it, taking it off, and then coming on here and giving you guys a quote-unquote review, because that way I'm able to tell you guys about the quality of the hair and how the hair held up and yada 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 yada. Okay, so I'm having a brain fart. That's a lot of talking. I've been talking for about 4 minutes, 5 almost. Wow. But with this wig, it did not come pre-bleached or pre-plucked, so I did have to do that myself. It was very easy. The knots were very easy to bleach. It did not require much or double bleaching or anything like that. And also, it was very easy to pluck. So I really do like Yolissa hair. I love their long units as well. You guys know the water wave is my favorite. If you haven't seen that video yet, check it out. But the body wave, baby, the body wave was twerking. She was thick from root to bottom. It was nice and heavy, but in a good way. If you're a big hair wearer, you get what I mean. What is that, a word, wearer? Where am I going? Where am I at? If you're a wig wearer, then you know what I'm talking about by heavy. I don't like when the wigs are too light because then it causes a lot of flyaways. Your curls don't last. It just looks a little thin. So I like my wigs to personal preference, have a little bit of weight to it. Just, you know, just a fair warning. And especially with a longer wig like this, you want it to look like it has some body. Like, you do not want a long, thin wig. And let me tell you all, this wig is long. She is, oh, she was so luscious. Like, look at it. Look at it. It was so full. And with that being said, it took me a long time to curl. I literally, really, Tasha? Really? Wow. Okay. I did not know I left that in there. But I did do slight layers with this hair, only because I wanted it to frame my hair just a little bit, but because the hair is so long, I didn't want it to be super choppy. So I kind of like had to wheel it back, had to relax on the layering, because y'all know I love to layer. But then I curled it, and honestly, this hair took me so long to curl. I was so overwhelmed. That's probably why I forgot to close out this video, but it did take a little minute to curl. I've never curled 30-inch hair before, to be honest with you, so it was just like really a struggle. So I just took my time. I used my curling wand per usual, and I believe I used hairspray as well, but the curls did hold. The only thing I did have to refresh was the front of my hair. That's only because of the way I tied it down. And that was it. So sit back, enjoy, watch me curl. I did cut out a lot of it because it just was a lot of repetitiveness. So we just cut that out. And yeah, that's it, you guys. Here are my thoughts at the end of the video. I'm just letting you guys know now, the hair is bomb. If you're looking for a good 30-inch wig, make sure you guys check out the description box. Check out Yolissa hair. Everything will be linked below, listed below for you. And if you have any questions, make sure to ask me. But I'm kind of wrapping this up voiceover style, but I will be talking to you guys towards the end of the video. So, TTYL. So you guys, this is the completed look of my hair. Yolissa does it again. My hair looks great. I love the install. I love the wig. It just looks amazing. So if you want this hair or you're interested in this hair, make sure you guys check the description box below. I will leave all hair information down there, and if you have any questions, of course you can ask me and I will answer like always. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.